Welcome back to Creatively Homemade, the remote and hybrid professional. I'm excited to introduce Lesson 31 of our series. In today's remote landscape, every phone call is a direct representation of your brand. We're focusing on the professional call flow, from greeting to goodbye, providing a step-by-step guide to navigating customer interactions with confidence and care. Our goal is to empower you with a structured approach to every call, ensuring a positive experience from start to finish. Let's dive in. A great call begins with a strong start. The first step is to introduce yourself and your company clearly and confidently, letting the customer know they've reached the right place. Then, without delay, you need to verify the customer and their account holder information. This is a crucial security step and a non-negotiable part of the process. Doing this immediately shows professionalism and ensures you are working with the correct data from the beginning. The second step is to pause and truly listen. Before you even think about solving the problem, actively listen to the customer's initial concern. What are they saying? More importantly, what's their emotional state? Acknowledge their emotion with a validating statement like, I can hear how frustrating this must be for you. This simple act builds rapport and shows the customer that you see them as a person, not just a case number. This is a critical turning point in the call. It's the transition from listening to problem solving. Start with a strong I can statement, such as, I can definitely help you with that. This builds confidence. Then, ask for permission to probe by saying, to get this resolved for you, I'll need to ask you a few questions. Is that okay? Finally, explain the benefit of their answers. The information will help me find the best solution for you quickly. This respectful approach gives the customer control and prepares them for the next stage. Now that you have permission, it's time to probe for information. Use targeted questions to get to the root cause of the issue. Think of the who, what, when, why, how framework to guide your questions. Don't just accept the surface level answer. Listen for any unstated needs or underlying issues. This meticulous gathering of information ensures you have everything you need to provide a complete and lasting solution. Once you've gathered all the necessary information, it's time to provide the solution. Explain it clearly and concisely. After presenting the solution, recap the important details of the call and any next steps the customer needs to take. This ensures you're both on the same page. This is also where you ensure your CRM documentation is complete, creating a single source of truth for this interaction. You've solved the problem and recapped the call, but you're not done yet. The final step is to end the call professionally. Confirm no other needs by asking, is there anything else I can help you with today? This simple question often catches other issues before they become new calls. Then, thank them sincerely for calling. End the conversation with a positive, definitive statement like, thank you again for calling. Have a great day. A graceful disconnect leaves a lasting positive impression. Let's review the complete call flow we've covered today. Remember the sequence. A strong start with verification, then you listen and acknowledge their emotion. You use a confident probing transition to ask targeted questions and probe for information. After solving the problem, you recap key details. Finally, you finish with a professional goodbye by confirming no other needs. Following this structured approach ensures that every interaction is productive, professional, and leaves a positive impression on your customer. To further enhance your skills in managing professional call flow, I've compiled some excellent resources for you. On this slide, You'll find highly recommended books that delve into customer loyalty and effective communication. Additionally, there are valuable online practices you can implement immediately, like using call recording reviews and role playing scenarios to hone your skills in a practical way. For all the full details on these resources, please make sure to check the comprehensive description below this video. This professional call flow isn't a new, isolated skill. It's an integrated approach that builds on what we've already learned. It relies on the art of active listening from Lesson 5, the power of positive language from Lesson 16, and empathy in a virtual world from Lesson 28. It also provides the structure that allows our problem-solving skills from Lesson 29 to shine through. By mastering Lesson 31 on call flow, you are solidifying your remote professional presence. So, what are your next steps? I encourage you to immediately put this into practice. Grab a colleague and practice the call flow in a role-playing scenario. Listen to a recording of one of your own calls and identify where you can improve your flow. And as always, be sure to check out the recommended resources we've included in the video description. By making a conscious effort to master this structured call flow, you will master your calls and elevate every customer interaction. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in our next lesson.